what's up guys? I am in the middle of a power steering pump replacement episode. I want to tackle these cam covers. I want to refinish them. So we got that one out. Those three are all the same size. Should just slide off. Clock it and turn it. And now you can do an inspection on your timing belt. This side is very similar, although there's more wire harnesses attached to the cover itself, so you need to make sure that you undo them. They're very brittle usually. Be prepared to break some, and then use zip ties in the cradle to hold the wire back down later when we do the installation. But on this, it's same thing, 10 mil, and there's 1, 2, 3, there should be 4 on this side. This side has 5. So there is one right here, unlike the other side, that you gotta get. They're all the same length, so if you put them in one big pile, it's no big deal. There we go. Wow, that's fun. There we go. Cleaned up these seals and I sprayed these down with degreaser. I'm gonna wipe them down and then I'm gonna give them a really good strip so that I can get this old paint off. This would be a great time if you have access to sandblasting to do that. Take a clean rag and I'm going to wipe it down with acetone. Prep it for primer at this point. Basically you can just dump acetone on it. I would plug all these holes so you don't get a bunch of overspray all over on the inside. There you have it. Now you're going to set it up so you can best spray your piece. Alright, just leaving them out in the sun. Look them over, make sure you don't have any raised spots or anything you want to change. And then throw a coat of primer on them. Coat number 2, and then we'll get to the base color. Put the mask on, going for the base color now. Second coat. Just gonna let them sit up there for a bit. And I'll clear them after their curing time is elapsed. Last coat. Now that you have pretty new cam covers, clean up the hardware because the hardware gets kind of dirty and it looks bad. So my suggestion is to get a light wire brush and to go around and make sure it's nice and clean. Okay, hardware's all ready. So I'm gonna put some plastic wrap over them to provide a little bit of protection as I go to install on the car. They've cured for a few days now, and then we're gonna take all this tape off and put the seal back on, and then they'll be ready to put into the car. Okay, the tape is off. Don't forget the little grommet. It's got a split in it. So you're gonna slide that wire through like that, pull it down into the middle, and then push the grommet into the cover. Now these like to break over time because they're brittle, and sometimes people do it incorrectly. They stick a flathead screwdriver and it snaps the whole piece off. So what you can do is get one of these small zip ties here, and you can thread it through the openings like this and have it come up and through this one. And then when your wire harness goes inside, you can zip tie it down in place to hold it. Come out. There you have it, guys. A cheap and effective modification you can do to your vehicle that actually looks good. I'm really happy with the results. I have the plastic wrap on these still because I'm in the middle of this power steering job, but you get the idea. The color really pops off of my 3-in-1 Cinnabar Red Pearl paint job. Your car may differ, but I chose the burnt copper to match the LS Big Brake Kit, which I have an episode on if you want to see that. Really happy with it. This is going to look great when I'm at Cars and Coffee or whenever I pop the hood and people take a look. It's much better than the dirty light colored gray that was on there from before, which kind of blended into everything. Now this just kind of pops. If you're not already a subscriber, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, drop a comment. See you on the next episode.